Hello everybody, I'm Diane Kochilas. Welcome to a whole new project called the Glorious Greek Kitchen Online. This very first class is actually one of my favorite subjects. It is one pot plant-based, Mediterranean or Greek Mediterranean. Of course, the core of what I do is Greek, so everything will most likely always have a little Greek flavor. And I'm going to start today, we're doing 3 dishes in this class. I'm doing a wonderful eggplant dish, a braised eggplant dish. I'm doing a braised greens dish, and I'm doing a dish, what we call in Greek, prasoselino lemonato, which is basically leek and celery, or leek and celery root with a lemony flavor.